In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the header and or footer on an individual page within your Squarespace website. And Squarespace has made it easier than ever, so you don't even need code anymore. Let's get into it. So this website page does not have a header and it doesn't have a footer, and now it is considered a landing page so that when people come to your website, this is what they can see and they won't be able to see anything else. Sometimes people use this process for sales pages where they only hide the header, so you can't get to any other website page until you get down to the very bottom. Sometimes they also hide the footer. Sometimes people do this if they have a membership site that they want a different header for. The options and the reasons are endless, but it's so easy to do, especially now. All you have to do is go to the page that you want to hide the header and or footer for, click the settings, go to navigation, and then toggle it on or off depending on where it's at. So if you don't want to show the footer, make sure that green is toggled off and it looks gray, press save, and you'll see that the header is gone, but the footer is still there. If you're like, nope, don't want the footer there either, go back, turn that off, press save, and it's easy as that. No header, no footer, and no code. And that is how we hide the header and footer on a Squarespace website in 2024. If you have any other questions or if you have any questions about this, let me know in the comment section and I will be more than happy to answer as many questions with the video as I possibly can. And if I already have the video for that answer, I will let you know in the comment section as well. Thanks, guys.